Be blamed for the tragic mishap in Sawadde, where people died as the old unused footbridge collapsed in the Zuari river. The bridge was closed for the last 10 years, but why it was not dismantled? Is the careless government equally responsible for the deaths?
The locals of Sawadde blame the government for not dismantling the bridge. The ignorant people have been using the footbridge to immerse Ganpati idols during Chauth and even otherwise. A small part of the footbridge on one side had already collapsed almost 5 years ago, and now collapsed the part on the other side when people gathered on it to watch the rescue operation of the fire brigade.
आम्ही जेन्ना कुडचडे सावड्डे ब्रिज बंद जालो नवो आनी तेजें ओपनिंग जालें त्या दिसा पासून ह्या हाजेर आमी वाहतूक कमी केल्ली. जो ब्रिज आसा ताका हो ब्रिज पोर्तुगीज कालीन ब्रिज आनी ताका तेकून आमी पेडेस्ट्रियल पाथवेज घातिल्ली. सादारण ब्रिजाची लांबी आनी 1 मीटर रुंदी अशी म्हणून आनी MS केल्ली ती जे कॉलम आसा ताजेर हांवें कास्ट करून दवरिल्ली. ही जवळ जवळ 4 वर्सां पयलीं आमी बंद केली कारण वी फावंड दॅट इट इज स्ट्रक्चरली नॉट फिट, इट इज कोरोडेड आनी ती वजन लोकांचें घेवंक शकची ना आनी त्या खातीर आमी तात्पुरती ती बंद केली. दोनूय सायडीन बॅरिकेडींग केलें, एका सायडीन लॅटरायट स्टोन मॅशनरी घेतली आनी दोनूय सायडीन बोर्ड मारलें की इट इज डेंजरस टू द पेडेस्ट्रियल पाथवेज. आतां हें सुरळीत चल्लां आसतना काल असो एक इन्सिडंट घडलो की कोणी तरी तें आंगार मारून घेतलेलें आसलें नालें.
Goa Forward Minister Vijay Sardesai and BJP South Goa MP Narendra Sawaikar are of the firm opinion that the footbridge should be dismantled. But PWD Minister Sudin Dhawlikar doesn't want to take the blame. He accuses the people for using the bridge by removing the barricades the department had put.
जावपाची गरज आहा पुणून म्हाका दिसता यूज करतात ते ब्रिज आनी डिकमिशन जाल्ले ब्रिज हातून भितर मातशी फरक आहा. हो ब्रिज डिकमिशन जाला, हो ब्रिज वापर नाशिल्ले, इट वॉज नॉट इन यूज. एक तुज्यान म्हणूं जाता की सरकारान तो डिसमेंटल करूंक जाय, तो उरप कित्याक तर ताजेर आमी एक व्यू घेवं येता. जंय अशे ब्रिज आहा जे यूज जायना ते ओगीच थंय सापळे आहा आनी एक दीस ते पडपाचे आहा, ते निखळावन ते डिसमेंटल करपाची गरज आहा.
Even during the Ganesh Visarjan, the people come over the bridge, and as a result of which many a times in fact causes a threat. So now that the tragedy has occurred and we have realized what the fate that the people have met with, I think in my opinion the administration should consider dismantling this bridge. Once it is dismantled, the entire issue is sorted out.
A reporter Prahar Sawadekar from Sawadde, Ramesh Naik Raut from Madgaon and video journalist Viraj Kamath from Panji.